Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am at the hospital in Bangkok. I am fine, nobody worry, but I just wanted to give a quick word on portfolio and strategy management. I'm not a financial advisor, obviously. I have been investing for three, four years now. And I've done quite well, but I've made a lot of mistakes too. So as we go into the bull run, it's just so important that you be aware of where you're at financially, your goals. So I would ask that you just write it down, because as things pick up, you're going to forget and you're going to get sucked into the craze. And I already know it's coming because I've been through it. I don't want anyone, you just need to know where you're at, what your goals are, because this influencer is going to have their strategy, the tokens they're buying. This influencer is going to have their strategy, and I don't want this to be like, like there's a money grab, but like the opposite of that. I don't want you to be like just throwing money in everything, although that is a strategy. So that said, there are four main strategy types, as you'll see on the thumbnail, that you should put yourself within. Are you high risk? If you're high risk, meaning you want to make as much money and you're willing to lose some money to do this, and this is not money you need for bills, it's not money you need for surviving, okay? Then look into meme coins. You'll hear it again and again and again all over crypto YouTube, top influencers, meme coins. But not just any meme coins, okay? It's meme coins that are timeless and funny and that anyone could understand, like dog with hat. With, W-I-F. It's going to be Doge, because it's the oldest, right? That's like your blue chip meme. It has to be universally funny for a meme coin to actually fly and have like a long-term success. But mind you, it's going to dip along the way, so just be ready for that. In the short term, memes that are going to give you the highest gains, that you want to and have to take profit as soon as they pump, are going to be your ones that have a lot, like anchoring them, connecting them to current humor and what's going on. So like MAGA, Trump's token, meme coin, or Bowden. Anything that is currently very, very relevant. And there's tons of people, not just people in crypto behind the meme coin, but people in the world. Look for those meme coins. I'm telling you who to follow. This is gold. Follow whoever Rand Nooner's telling you, Crypto Banter, Alex Becker, Elio Trades, my channel, and of course my partner, Kyle Chasse. Top people. Actually, Kyle Chasse would be leading the way, along with, I think, Crypto Banter in terms of meme coins. That's high risk, okay? But as you make that money, when it pumps up like crazy, make sure you pay yourself. Take out 10, 15% at a time. Divide that in half. Not financial advice, but divide it in half. Put half into your own pocket, into your account that's for you. Savings, or for whatever you need, for the goals, remember we had to write down. And then the other half, put into blue chip layer 2 coins, which are going to be, or just blue chip coins like your Solana, like your Ondo, O-N-D-O, like your Based AI, like your AOs. It's been pumping lately. I called it on my channel, AOs, A-I-O-Z. That's the next video I'm making for you. Put it into long-term plays, Near Protocol, Zeta, Zeta Chain. Okay, moderate risk is going to be, don't put all your money into meme coins. Divide it. Half goes into meme coins, half goes into these coins I just mentioned a moment ago. Layer 2s, layer 1s that have a long-term play that are actually going to transform the world. They're Web 3, the next generation of the internet and the way we operate and live together in this global market that we're in now. That's moderate. But the same strategy prevails, which is as they pump, like a lot, not a little bit, as they pump a lot, take profits, 10-15% at a time. Divide it in half, divide that into threes. 1/3 goes to paying yourself for life, just for you, savings, and a different wallet or cash out. Give that to yourself. 1/3 into meme coins, and then the other third back into more investments. Just stay level-headed, stick to the plan. Okay. Third strategy is very conservative. If this has been super hard-earned money, which I know it is for many people, and you do not want to risk it at all, you just want long-term investments for your children, for your wife, for your family, then don't do meme coins. Don't do, and only do blue chip. Do the ones I mentioned only. Solana, Near Protocol, Ondo, Phantom, Based AI, AOS, Sui, Say, CETUS. It's the decentralized exchange for Sui, I believe. Only look into your long-term plays. Avalanche, layer 1. And if it's purely an investment, then put your money in Bitcoin. Oh my God, Bitcoin, always and forever Bitcoin. Always roll some of your money into Bitcoin. 5-10%. I've been buying Bitcoin every day, a little bit. And if you don't like to lose money at all, be stressed out at all, then this is not for you. Not for you. And it's important to know that Bitcoin would only be for you. If you want no exposure to risk, just an investment opportunity, it's Bitcoin, period. And I made a video on how to buy Bitcoin. Check it out, it's one of my first videos, and I'm happy to go into more detail if need be. But for now, that's it for this video. Nice, short. I just wanted to stress to you the importance of not following what everyone's doing and follow what is good for you based on whether you're in the high risk bucket of people, moderate, conservative, or no risk. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be back. I'm just getting a little something on my face then. Anyway, talk to you guys soon.